The clock is ticking down to Friday's August 1st trade deal deadline. Now, there's some frameworks that need to be announced, but several more, they need to get done. And with the White House scrambling to make deals on Wednesday, President Trump, he targeted India with new tariffs. And while critics have warned the president that tariffs will weaken the economy.
That's right. The White House celebrated some strong economic news, but not enough to lower interest rates. NBC's Alice Barr has the latest details from Washington.
With just hours to go until President Trump's Friday deadline when hefty tariffs kick in for global trading partners that haven't reached a deal, the president announcing an agreement with South Korea for billions of dollars in new U.S. investment and 15% tariffs on goods entering the U.S., lower than he'd threatened but sharply higher than in recent years.
It's literally trillions of dollars ultimately being brought into our country. We're now negotiating with various other countries, and the rest we're just sending out the bill.
Among the countries getting a heftier tab, India, slapped with a 25% tariff plus an additional import tax penalty for buying Russian oil amid the war on Ukraine. And then there's Brazil, hit with a 50% tariff that has many American coffee shops reeling and weighing price increases.
It would only be by cents because we don't want it to be where it's too much for the client.
That risk for tariffs pushing prices up, making the Federal Reserve keep interest rates steady rather than the rate cut President Trump has been publicly pressuring for to boost the economy.
We have no inflation, and we're very strong, and we should be lowering the rates.
Inflation ticked up slightly in June, but has trended downward overall this year, alongside low unemployment, strong market growth, and now word that after shrinking at the start of the year, the U.S. gross domestic product grew, a better than expected 3% this spring, with outlook for the months ahead still uncertain. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC.